Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and this is just going to be a quick Ethereum update video today. So let's get straight into the charts. This right here is the 12-hour Ethereum chart, and all three of these indicators are technically still pointing in the bullish direction, which means technically speaking, Ethereum is still within this short-term bullish trend. And even when you're taking a look at the Ethereum price itself, over the past 2 weeks, we've been clearly forming higher lows and higher highs, which is exactly what an uptrend is. But keep in mind, we're running into these previous highs back here, sitting at around 3.2k to 3.3k, which are acting as resistance. And in case you are new to this channel, the price of Ethereum has broken out of this symmetrical triangle pattern in the bullish direction. And actually, before the price of Ethereum broke out, we saw a breakout in the Ethereum RSI. So keep that in mind. The RSI can be a leading indicator. And by the way, the technical price target for this symmetrical triangle pattern is sitting at around 4,000 US dollars per Ethereum. But keep in mind, even though that's the technical price target, it is unlikely that Ethereum is going to go straight to 4,000 all in one go. Instead, a more likely scenario would be if Ethereum played out some short-term cool-offs along the way, especially as the 12-hour Ethereum RSI is pretty close to overbought territories. But over on the daily Ethereum chart, looking at the daily RSI, we still have room to the upside here. And obviously, just the fact that the price of Ethereum finally broke out of this massive downtrend and is now technically forming some higher highs and has already been forming some higher lows, this is simply a bullish sign for Ethereum on the larger timeframes like the daily charts, because it shows a shift in market behavior from bearish market structure where we're constantly forming lower highs and lower lows to more bullish market structure where we're finally forming higher lows and higher highs, breaking above key point of resistance. But even though the price of Ethereum is starting to flip more bullish again, we are seeing a massive amount of short positions on Ethereum open up. This right here is the percentage of Ethereum short positions on the Binance exchange and the Bybit exchange on the 1 day time frame. And only within the last 1 week approximately, we've seen a massive increase in Ethereum short positions relative to long positions over on the Binance exchange in particular. And if you simply take a look at years worth of Ethereum history, pretty much every single time where we see a massive inflow of new Ethereum short positions relative to long positions on these two major exchanges, usually that happens right before we see a lot more bullish price action. So basically, when the Ethereum short positions are at these record high levels, usually that turns out to be a great buying opportunity. But I want to make it clear that that is not financial advice. I'm simply telling you what has happened throughout years worth of Ethereum's history and what is most likely to occur next according to history. And over here on the 3-day Ethereum chart, these Bollinger Bands haven't really changed that much over the past 1 to 2 days. We're still seeing the Bollinger Bands squeeze together, which means another massive move is coming in the price of Ethereum, most likely within the next few weeks or so. And in case you missed yesterday's Ethereum update video, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator here on the weekly time frame has just flipped bullish. And if you simply take a look at the Ethereum charts for yourself, you can see how accurate this indicator has been throughout Ethereum's price history. In fact, almost all of these reversal signals, the bearish reversal signals and the bullish reversal signals, turned out to be accurate, except for just 2 bearish signals that turned out to be more inaccurate, if anything. But obviously, this indicator on this specific time frame is far more accurate than it is inaccurate. So having this indicator flip bullish again is obviously a very bullish signal for the larger timeframes. And another very bullish signal for the larger timeframes, which hasn't actually been confirmed just yet, is a possible bullish cross in the weekly Ethereum MACD. If nothing too crazy happens in the price of Ethereum over the next few weeks or so, then it is very likely that within the next few weeks, we're going to see another bullish cross in the weekly Ethereum MACD. And this specific bullish cross will happen when the MACD is in negative territory, which is something that seriously does not happen very often. This right here is Ethereum's entire price history, dating all the way back since 2015. And I've circled the only other points throughout Ethereum's entire price history where we've seen a bullish cross in the weekly MACD while the MACD is sitting in negative territory. And you can see that this turns out to be an amazing buying opportunity, especially for the longer term. And just giving you a quick update on the Bitcoin dominance chart here on the daily time frame. And what we've seen recently in the daily RSI for the Bitcoin dominance is a slight bounce back to the upside. But so far today, we're getting a rejection from this previous line of support, which is perhaps acting as new resistance right now. And if that is the case, if we do actually confirm a rejection from that line right there, then that would be a bearish signal for the Bitcoin dominance, potentially resulting in another drop in the Bitcoin dominance, which in that scenario would be bullish for the altcoin market. But for the time being, over the past few days in the shorter term, the Bitcoin dominance has been consolidating sideways, so nothing much has happened in terms of a major altcoin season. But if we do end up seeing some of those other bearish signals that I just talked about continue to play out on the Bitcoin dominance, then that is when we could see more of an altcoin season. And I'll be sure to keep you updated every single day here on this channel. And if you appreciate these daily updates, I would really appreciate it if you could just leave a like down below on the video. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And if you want to maximize your crypto profits, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.